In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off auto-saving reading list items for offline reading on Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. On the settings, just scroll down until you find the Safari, then get into it. And once you are at Safari settings, all you have to do is just scroll all the way down to the very bottom, where you can easily find that option which is called Automatically Save Offline. When this option is turned on, it will automatically save all reading list items from iCloud for offline reading. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.